Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm in Clanfield, which is in Hampshire, and it's going to be a pleasure to show you around this self-contained room and the story behind it. Based on our Kite pre-design with this extension to the side, the reason for this room is to work for the family. Mum was living on her own and has now moved in with daughter and son-in-law. I wanted just a space to get away, make it self-contained, being used ancillary to the house, so not being stayed in overnight, but just gives her a bit of space and the whole family a little bit of space when they need it. Bearing in mind she's been living on her own for a while now, and we all know probably how that feels being intrusive. So the whole idea of this building was sell the property and find a building that was going to work all year round. Now, forgive the sun on this building. I'm not going to complain about it being mid-November in 2023 here. So the building itself inside has got the real story. French doors, integrated blinds with a low E glass on the front here. And inside, Bruiser there is been given the thumbs up of approval, who's moved in with mum. And the building itself, I say, has been used with a day bed in here and self-contained, so you can do absolutely everything with it. So as she said, look, it's not how you normally show your buildings, but this is a building that is used daily and continued every day, just to give that separation. Bedroom in the house, and then this room to give privacy and distance and disconnect, and I just think it's a really lovely space for that. Got some lovely nods of our old property in here with the unit there. We've got the Elfin kitchen with the fridge, freezer, the basin, and also an induction oven. And then through this space here we've got a toilet, basin and a shower. So can obviously, there are rules about staying in it overnight, so you're not allowed to stay in it overnight, but you can use it as a day room and just that separate space. And with only having a shower upstairs, it was a great decision to do this and bring that all in. So we've also added in a side window here looking out down the garden, and it's just a lovely usable space. So this is being used all year round, every day for the bulk of the day, and it's a project, it's been a real pleasure to work with the family and make work. So hopefully we can let me get back down here, you can see another view of that. Say the sun shining is very lovely, but can't quite see that there. So it's a 6 metre wide, 3.3 metre deep, self-contained, all year round garden room to be used like a granny annex, but just during the day only. And it's a lovely project down here in Hampshire. So if this is of interest to you, and you want to add some space for any reason, including family members joining you like this, then it'd be a real pleasure to help, and we really have enjoyed working with this family. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. And like I say, it's got Bruiser's approval. Does it have yours?